It's no secret that we are major Ariana Grande fans here at Crafty Hackers. So we found some new Ari looks for Barbie that we really hope you like. But first, make sure to show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you like this video. Okay, let's play dress up. To recreate Ariana's Dangerous Woman bunny photo shoot, let's start with the shoes. Place a straw in the shoe so you can hold it while you paint the whole thing with black nail polish. Obviously, you want to do the same for both shoes. Get your hands on a piece of black lace like the one we found on this bra. We're gonna turn them into lacy tights. Just cut the lace to fit it around her legs, and sew it on. Doesn't that look pretty? Now cut the bottom of a balloon, fold it in half, and cut 2 holes for the legs. Cut another balloon to make a tube top. Remember the end of the balloon you snipped off? We'll save it, because we're going to make a little mask with it. Cut it so one side is thinner than the other. Then use a hole puncher for eye holes on the wider part of the mask. Slip it on over Barbie's eyes. For the ears, cut 2 lengths of wire to cover them with electrical tape. Trim the tape so they look like bunny ears. Attach the ears to the wire headband by bending the wire around the band. Place it on Barbie's head. Use a white pom-pom for the bunny tail. Totally looks like the real outfit, right? So adorable. We can't wait to show you this look. Cut a piece of plastic from one of those clear toiletry bags. Cut a strip of white faux leather. Fold it in half and measure it around Barbie's neck and arms. Mark with a marker so you know where to cut. It should look like this when it's all cut out. Now glue the shoulder straps together. Place these cutouts onto the plastic and match it up to Barbie's body. Glue the faux leather pieces to the plastic. Cut a slit down the back of her top and try it on. Add some Velcro pieces to the back of her outfit. When you don't want to sew, glue and Velcro are your best friends. How cute is this dress? And so fun to make! You remember that Moschino dress that Ariana wore to the MTV Music Awards? We just had to make one for Barbie. First, we cut a piece of black faux leather to fit it to Barbie's body. Then we glued on this gold zipper on the sides of the black faux leather. We cut out these little pocket flaps and then glued them to the front. Added gold buttons with their shiny gold marker. Then, of course, there's the belt. We cut out a strip and wrote Moschino in the front. Then we wrapped it around her waist. Time for those skin-tight, thigh-high boots. Black electrical tape worked great for these. Just carefully stick these strips on from above her knee to her ankle. Do this all the way around her leg. We love this fierce look, don't you? This look is from Ariana's One Love Manchester concert. Here's how to get it for your Barbie. We are going to use old recycled jeans and cut out this pattern. Fold the material over and sew the seams together with the fabric inside out. Now use the pencil to help push the skinny little pant legs right side out. There we go. Now sew the crotch and back seams of the pants together. Glue and fold down the waistline of the pants. Now use a tiny piece of Velcro to fasten your jeans together in the front. For the top, fold over this fabric twice and measure it against your doll. Use chalk to mark it. Cut the outline around the fold. Be sure to cut out a neckline too. Use a hot glue gun to stick the seams together. You might want to ask your mom or dad to help with this part. When the glue is dry, turn the sweater right side out. Next, cut the elastic band from old dingy socks. Put it around the waist of the sweater and glue the fabric over the band. Cut the elastic band from the other sock and use this for the little sleeve cuffs. Glue them onto the ends of the sleeves. Now, with a red marker, write One Love Manchester across the front of the sweatshirt. How does she still look so glamorous in this oversized sweatshirt? We love it! Now let's make that gorgeous dress from Ariana's Focus music video. You'll need a small piece of black felt to make the top. Sew a piece of black cord to go around the back. Crisscross it in the back and bring it up over her shoulders. Tie it in a cute bow in the front. You've already got the balloon bloomers from her bunny outfit we made. Now cut a piece of black felt to make her skirt. Hot glue gun it at the corners to fasten it to her top, leaving a little peekaboo opening in the front. Time for the stars to come out. Use fabric glue to paste these silver stars onto her skirt and top. We are using a couple of different sizes of stars. Add those black heels and you've got it! She is sparkling! Now for some old Hollywood glam. You'll need a piece of pink satin cut into this shape. Cut and unbend a paperclip so it can make two pieces like this. Glue the wires together on the back side of the fabric and use the wire cutters to remove the bottom of the frame. Coat the wires in hot glue, then stick them onto the fabric. Cut out this little triangle at the top, then glue and fold over the fabric, like this. Fold over the top of the fabric and glue to make the line look clean. Wrap the fabric around your doll and sew it on. Next, use a piece of white faux fur fabric and wrap it around her arms and back. Doesn't she look like an old Hollywood starlet? We love the schoolgirl outfit Ariana was rocking at her My Everything concert in Tokyo. So let's grab a black and white checkered shirt and let's make one of our own. First, cut a strip from the button hemline of the shirt, then cut a square of material from the back. Measure the hemline fabric to her waist and trim away the excess. Glue the material at the midsection, leaving the button hemline at the bottom of the skirt. Now glue the pleats into the skirt by folding every half inch or so and gluing the fabric at the folds. Then add a strip of glue along the whole waistline and fold the fabric over to seal it. You're gonna need a couple of small pieces of black Velcro to fasten the skirt in the back. Glue them in here and here. Next, fold an old sock in half and measure to Barbie's neck, arms, and torso. Mark with a marker and cut it out. Sew the sides of the shirt together and turn the right side out. Then, cut these two middle fingers off of a white glove. Cut the finger parts and snip off the ends. These will be the knee-high socks. Sew the slits together at the back. Looking good, girl! Now let's recreate the kitty cat look from Ariana's Honeymoon tour. You'll need another strip of plastic from that toiletry bag. You'll also need a black thin ribbon. Cut the ribbon to the size of the plastic and carefully glue it to the bottom. Next, apply some black adhesive paper to the top of the plastic. Wrap the skirt around Barbie's hips and then add a big heart in front and stick it to her chest. Now we're gonna make her kitty ear headband out of this pipe cleaner. Just fold it into kitty ear shapes. Feed the stem through to fill in the hole and make another ear the same way. Snip, snip. Now wrap it all around her head. Meow. For this final Ariana Grande look, you'll need a piece of silver glitter foam sheet. Cut out the tube top and the skirt. Wrap the tube top around Barbie's chest and glue it to her back. Glue the skirt onto the front, leaving the slit off to the side. Glue 2 white glitter pom-poms to a pair of gold earrings. Put them in Barbie's ears, and that's it! You've recreated Ariana's pop star look. Isn't she fabulous? Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later!